classical Sangeet. The Islamic rule in India, that has a lot to contribute in our classical music, and especially in the Delhi Sultanate and Mughal Empire during that time. So there was a considerable cultural interchange between the Muslim world and the Hindu world. And one of the most influential musician around that time was Amir Khusro. And this is the time of 1200 to 1300, that time frame. So sometimes Amir Khusro is called father of modern Hindustani classical music. So he could compose in Persian, Turkish, Arabic, and as well as Brij Bhasha. So you wonder that how everything is coming together. And a number of instruments also were introduced during this time. Sitar and tabla, they came during this time. Uh, Khusro also created qawwali, which is from Persian fusion. Uh, then much of the musical form in Hindu tradition later on, that is a work of Kabir and Nanak as well. So during that time, like going from 1200, 1300s to 1500s, now we are getting these bhakti sangeet, and Kabir and Gurudev Nanak has a lot of contribution to that as well. In the courts of Akbar, again, Mia Tansen, he introduced a lot of innovations, and which included ragas and other compositions. And another, in particular, the music form known as Drupad, that saw from the Gwalior Gharana. So there was this Gwalior Raja Man Singh, who was again very interested in music, and he encouraged music. And in his court, he had a lot of musicians, and Rag Drupad came from there. So after the dissolution of Mughal Empire, then all these other princely kingdoms like Lucknow and Patiala and Banaras, so those gharanas, they came into, they were risen, and those were called gharanas. And again, bhakti and Sufi tradition, that continued during this time frame.
So now the next singer is standing right here. Chitra is going to sing. She is going to tell her अदर हाफ, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, लेकिन ये तो वहीं पे बैठे हैं और वो भी वही कहेंगे शायद चित्रा जी को. This one is also the Rag Kalyan. Many of the songs that we are hearing today is Yaman. It's called Yaman also. It's called Kalyan. It's called Kalyani, and it's called Melakarta Rag, meaning the parental music scale. In Carnatic music in South Asia, it is called Sampurna Raga. Sampurna Raga meaning it has all the swaras, all the sat swara. That's why it's called Sampurna Raga. The raga is regarded as one of the grandest and most fundamental ragas of Hindustani classical music. Vadi swara is pa, Samvadi swara is sa, and it should be performed during the first quarter of the night, like 6 to 9 p.m. Other popular songs on this one is Talat Mahmood, Sine Mein Sulagte Hain Arman. One of my most favorite duet from Lakshmikant Pyarelal, Tum Gagan Ke Chandrama Ho, Main Dhara Ki Dhul Hoon. This one is, everyone knows this one, The Breathless by Shankar Mahadevan, Koi Jo Mila Tha Mujhe. That is also Yaman. And Tere Lakhan Ne Bada Dukh Dina from Ram Lakhan. The point I was trying to make is that it's not just old songs, even the new ones are, based on raga. So over to Chitra.